Miami County, southeastern Shelby County, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:34 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located near Ballou, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include West Liberty, Bell Fountain, in addition, Rosewood, Millerstown, Quincy, DeGraff, Spring Hills, La Pinkett, Kennard, and Mingo are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.